In IBM DOORS Next Generation, we begin by creating a software requirement. Next, we update it with a formatted bullet list. We then set the software requirement priority to high. An inline image is also added. Next, we create a system requirement. We add the details just as we did earlier. To meet the sync criteria, we set this priority to high as well. Now we update the information in the system requirement. This demonstrates how OpsHub Integration Manager syncs updates live between DOORS NG and Azure DevOps. We then open the software requirement in DOORS NG and update its title and formatted content as well. Next, we create a link between the software and system requirements in DOORS NG. OpsHub Integration Manager runs in the background, fetching data from IBM DOORS Next Generation and automatically syncing it to Azure DevOps, with no coding or manual effort required. In Azure DevOps, both the system and software requirements have now synced successfully. Under the system requirement, we can see the updated description reflected in Azure DevOps. The DOORS system requirement ID and URL are also available, giving direct visibility between the two systems. Since the status remained unchanged in DOORS NG, it still appears as new. Let's now change it to active. As defined in OpsHub Integration Manager, this active status update bidirectionally syncs back to DOORS NG as playback. The link created with the software requirement is also preserved during sync. Now let's take a look at the software requirement. The rich text added in DOORS NG is reflected in Azure DevOps, preserving both the formatting and the inline image. The link created between the requirements is preserved as well. The DOORS software requirement ID and URL are also populated, enabling direct access from Azure DevOps without switching tools. Let's update the software requirement status to active as well. We then return to DOORS NG to verify the updated status sync. In the system requirement, we can see the status has changed to playback after the successful two-way sync. Similarly, the software requirement status updates to playback to reflect the change. That completes the demo. Thanks for watching.